if we can count the stick from this entry point, all right, we can count like 10 or even more. So now we've seen that at this point we are having 98. Okay, so it means that this 98 means it has gotten to the overbought level, and what we actually set at this point is 80. Okay, so here we are having 98 and you can see it's still counting. And also, if you should check on 1 minute time frame for the stochastics, you see that the stochastic is ripe already for a spike. So the stochastic means that spike will happen any moment from now. So I actually don't know, maybe the chart or the spike is actually waiting for the RSI, all right, which is at the period of 4 for the for the spike to happen. Okay, so we're expecting the spike to happen on 1 minute time frame any moment from now. Okay, so that's why I have this video recording on, so that everyone could see that what we are doing is actually real and legit. Okay, so as we wait for the spike to happen, and let me quickly say this too, I wish the spike should happen now. I so much wish the spike should happen now. And you can see that at this point for the stochastics. Okay, so this is one of the major reasons why RSI is more effective than stochastics. Okay, you see that RSI has gotten to, no, the stochastics, sorry, the stochastics have gotten to 100 already, and after when it has gotten to 100, as you can see on the screen here, it's still going up. All right, it's still hanging around. That's why you see that it's going on a straight line. Okay, you see it's going on a straight horizontal line at this point. Okay, but here now you see that it's also what is happening here, it has happened previously before. Now you see it's going on a straight horizontal line. Okay, but when you check the stochastic, you can see it's currently at 99.1516 at this point. So the stochastic is less effective, while the RSI is more effective than the stochastic. So, and at the same time, as long as we are having a downtrend, okay, on crash 1000 index, so definitely when we go on smaller time frame too, definitely a spike will happen before it even gets to the level of the stop loss. Okay, this is the line for the stop loss, so I'm expecting a spike to happen any moment from now. Okay, now we should be expecting a spike at any moment from this point on 1 minute time frame. And now if the spike does not happen on 1 minute time frame, definitely we switch to 5 minutes time frame. But the spike must happen at 1 minute time frame when this has gotten to 100. Okay, so that the timer can start all over again, all right, from the level at which it drops. So it can drop to maybe like 50. Okay, now when this gets to 100, maybe after a few counts it might drop to like 50. Okay, now when it drops to like 50, then it start counting up again, and we'll have a reduction also on what we're having here, because see, this has already gotten to over bot level. Okay, so we are expecting it to drop. Okay, and now when you check out the stochastic at this point, you see that the stochastic is also at 62, while the RSI is at 71 at this level. Okay, because we see a very quick change in stochastics more than the RSI. So that's exactly what is happening on this trade, and that's exactly what we're waiting for this trade. And maybe the chart is actually waiting till it gets to this level, okay, before we can see a spike. But now let's see. So we have confidence, a very good confidence in this chart, that in this trade that spike is gonna happen. Hello guys, same on this matter. You see that the spike has actually happened. Okay, So now you see the same lot size and everything. Look at the stop loss. Okay, so we have a spike which has happened now. So I want you to pay attention. Now you see that it has dropped. It has dropped to, so the counting has started from 11 again. Okay, now when you check the timer or the percentage for the stochastics, you can see it has dropped to 26. Okay, so these are basically the in-depth way of using all these inbuilt indicators. All right, so now when I now zoom out, technically, all right, when I now zoom out, I will see that from 11 the RSI has gotten to 14, the stochastic has gotten to 26.8083. All right, so now let's switch to another time frame, which is actually 5 minutes time frame. Now on 5 minutes time frame, what are we seeing on 5 minutes time frame? You know, on 5 minutes time frame, before now we having like 70 something on RSI for the period of 4. Okay, now you can see it has reduced to 34. All right, so now the stochastic has reduced to 60. So now we're now looking at the signal. Yes, we're now looking at the signal. As the signal here, this place here, you can see is above 20. It means that it's at the level of 34. All right, and now when you check down, you will notice that the signal also, which is the percent K and the percent D for stochastics. All right, you can see we are having it about crossing. Mind you, we were operating on lower time frame, not on higher time frame, so you cannot at this point use it to judge. And at the same time, when you look at it, you can see that on this chart we are having something like, it has created something like this. Okay, just look at it properly, you see. So it means that we are having I wish you guys should just understand what I'm saying. Like, it has created 2 blocks on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so now if you want to have a very good sniping entry, this is exactly what you should be looking out for on any trade you will be doing, on any trade, I repeat, we will be doing. So now remember, if you've been watching my previous videos, I said all candlesticks, they were hunting from zone to zone. So now the next zone for this trade is just gonna be at this point, okay, at this level and below. Now if you just want to, that's just the first level. Okay, so now if you just want to check out on higher time frame, then you will see, just to check if you're not being greedy, it's a good point for you. So now as long as we have this spike that happens, definitely there will be more spikes, like 2 more spikes. But I am not disputing the fact that retest will not happen. All right, it will retest. So hello guys, I came to show you this. All right, so you see, mission has been accomplished, so I don't need to be greedy. Okay, so this is fine, this is cool, this is okay. And you see, I've actually shown you that it's gonna come here.